How to clean catfish. Part 1. Cleaning the fish. Make shallow slanted cuts behind the grill on each side that meet in the stomach. Cut along the fish spine from its head to its tail. Slice open the skin down the center of the fish belly. Make vertical slits on each side of tail. Clamp the pliers on the skin below the fish gills. Peel the skin back towards the tail in one slit motion. Part 2. Removing the innards. Twist the head off just below the gills. Remove the tail and all the fins. Make a slit through the fish stomach and pull out the entrails with your fingers. Wash the body out with cold water. Part 3. Cutting files. Cut down along the spine towards the ribs. Poke the knife through the belly of the fish and cut towards the tail. Cut back towards the front of the fish to remove the fillet. Remove the fillet from the other side.